Hi everyone. Happy Sunday. Well, today we are here in the park. Maybe 30 minutes from our home. It's a lovely day today. It is windy and cloudy. But there are plenty of people here in this park, guys. It is Sunday, so a lot of people are. There's no food. So here I am again, guys. My internet connection is not good, so it was reconnecting. I almost lost it. So as you can see, we didn't know that there was a marathon earlier here. So it is for Irish Wheelchair Association, guys. So we thought that there will be a market
I didn't know there was
today,
a marathon today.
but instead there was a marathon earlier. I think it's just finished a while ago.
Where's another market? There's always a market. We look for the markets.
Oh, that's really nice. It's both for able and disabled people. They can join this marathon.
Why didn't you go?
We didn't know that there
You
is
don't like
marathon.
marathons.
Why I don't like marathons because I'm not used to walk to running. So red click, I'm not sure what red click is. I think, guys, the connection is not good in here because of plenty of trees around. Look. So my connection is always lost. So guys, yeah, as what I've said, there was a marathon earlier. So there are still people in here wearing those uniform. So guys, this I hope you enjoyed or are enjoying your Sunday, and hope the weather is lovely too on your part wherever you are, guys. So thank you for watching and have a blessed Sunday, guys. Bye.